Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rubba Rees and I am the student of class 8 from the Biscuit School. As you know, the parents too are responsible for not allowing their children to participate in different sports. That's the reason. Like parents think that only they go after the grades. Like they can make their children can make their career in sports. But no doubt, parents need to know that they can make their best ever career in sports as well. They are just fixed towards the studies after the grades. But no parents need to, they are overprotective, but still they just need to allow their wards to participate in different activities as the children can get out from depression, anxiety, etc.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Mantasha Manzoor, a student of Nevis Kids, currently studying in class 8. The World Health Organization has done a research from which they got to know that the 50% of the students all around the world are not giving time to their co-curricular activities and are just focused on their academics. They are falling into depression and anxiety, so it is a responsibility of every school that they form playgrounds so that the students can participate in the sports.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Farhan and I study in school named Nevis Kids. Sports play an important role in everybody's life. यानी कि जो खेल कूद है वो हर किसी की जिंदगी में जरूरी है. अगर किसी को एंजाइटी या डिप्रेशन है वो खेल कूद से उसे जिंदगी से छुटकारा पा सकता है. आज की जो ज्यादातर पॉपुलेशन है वो बोलती है जिस टाइम हम खेलेंगे हमें उस टाइम भी पढ़ना है ताकि हमें मार्क्स हो रहा है. वो नहीं सोचते कि सपोर्ट से आप फिट रह सकते हैं. आज का जो ज्यादा के स्कूल है वो बोलते हैं कि उनके पास प्लेग्राउंड नहीं है ताकि हम बच्चों को पढ़ाएं, हम उन्हें अच्छी नॉलेज दें, ना कि सपोर्ट से खिलाएं.
Sports play a very crucial role in education system, but in today's generation, if we see some kids are not able to play sports because of their exams, their career and so on. No doubt career is also important, but sports are very important because when we play games like badminton, cricket, etc., it helps us to get rid of anxiety, depression and stress, so on. After all, I want to say that we should give more and more time to sports as it helps us to develop our education system. Thank you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. मैं ज़िक्रा ज़मीर हूँ. मैं नेविस किड्स स्कूल फतेहपुरा में पढ़ती हूँ. अगर हम बात करें स्पोर्ट्स की तो वो हमारे लिए ज़िंदगी का एक बहुत अहम हिस्सा है. और हम अपने स्कूल की बात करूँगी, इसमें नॉलेज के साथ साथ स्पोर्ट्स भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. हम यहाँ के क्लासेस भी बहुत अच्छे देते हैं. स्पोर्ट्स क्लासेस भी है यहाँ पर. हम उसमें बहुत सारे खेल खेलते हैं लाइक क्रिकेट, बैडमिंटन, वॉलीबॉल एट्सेट्रा.